Welcome to this tutorial on how to rotate text in CapCut PC. Let's go through the steps using this video as an example. To start, duplicate and paste the video clip, overlaying it on the upper layer. Click on the duplicated clip, then navigate to the Video Remove BG and select Auto Removal to eliminate the background behind the person. Keep in mind that this feature may be a pro function in certain CapCut versions. Next, head to the Text tab and drag and drop the default text between the two layers. Move to the Animation tab. Click on Loop and apply the rotate animation. Adjust the speed as needed. Return to the text basics and customize the text style to suit your preferences. Then click on the topmost duplicate layer. Go to the video mask, choose horizontal, and adjust the position of the mask line as required. That's it. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.